Pleasure with you session part te hakan nega video menta ngan solve ka question paper jongka dielet ka menta usnem hi ka rang dap menta kasngi arja apply te shwa ngan solve jong shwa an prinsai shwa kan nega way ba hakan nega dielet entrance jongka dayat kanam don kata ka cut off mark mo ba cut no mark mahaban yo ban poe ka personal review te kanam don gum kata te kin select by block wise Haman ki district, laka jong ki district, don laki jong ki block, they can select with block wise, te nakata ka block can select tangut, nakata ka block can select tangut, nomor ba yaki seat, la bu by daki block wise ma, la ai by daki block wise, din yaki seat number of seat kata ka block, la pia by kumta. Te kun ba kan jit by block wise, te ka shong kat kum ka jing don is candidate, but ka jing don ka jing yo hemak ka score ka jong ki gen. Kanong kin dari kawan, but kanong kin poya ka personal interview. Te video ban abai ka result kaman sami in sa pemi po ka website hi sa kaman check te yam ta ngin yat no hakane question paper mas solve no igini abai de bat kane ka question paper te karon san phomak te question number 1 find the simple interest on rupees 5200 for 2 years at 6000 per annum te kane ban khen phya ban use the kane formula I is equal p into R into T. P kare ka principal ka sanajar aspa into rate kandai 6% per annum plus time kandai 2 year divide by 100. Tenda lakhenya kane pinsayo 6 to 4. Correct answer ang ne kandai number D 6 to 4. Correct answer is D 6 to 4. Second one check. Number 2 correct answer is non-renewable resources. Second one check kan mark your score. Tekane deka non-renewable resources that take long geological time for their formation. Kan simpor ba ban long biang non-renewable resources. Number 3 industries that use mineral and metal as raw material are called number 3 la khodeki mineral based industries. Number 4 the line that adjoins different places with the same pressure are known as kande isobar. Number C isobar. Number 5 which property of metal is used for making bell and strings of numerical instruments like sitar and violin kane sonorousness. Number 6 movement of sunflower and accordant with parts of sun is due to phototropism. Correct answer is C phototropism. 6 then number 7 what type of energy is derived from heated groundwater? Correct answer is A geothermal energy. Number 7 A geothermal energy. Number 8 which of the following process does not replenish the soil with nutrients? Is D plowing. Number 9 who wrote the Constitution of India? Mano Batho. The correct answer is number C Prem Bahari Narayan Raizada. Number 10 the person who established British rule in India was A Robert Clive. Okay, then what does vitamin K deficiency lead to? Kande number C problem in blood coagulation. Number 12 which of the following is a pair of viral disease? Viral disease number B common cold but it's so check one 12B. Then 13 in human body the hormone which is secreted into the blood and which control the rate of the heart is adrenaline. A. Number katsa which of the following is not a web browser? Number D is not a web browser. 15 the computer or server on internet is also known as host. Yes, it is a host. In HTTPS, S means secure. C is the correct answer. 17. My grandfather walked very fast. C is the correct answer. Find the correct words. Irrelevant. D is the correct answer. Irrelevant. Then 19. Candle. It is D. Opposite meaning. D. Extinguish. 19. 20. Select the proper prefix. Hangne and David. Unimpressive. So the correct answer is C. Unimpressive. Number 21. Change into passive voice by choosing the right option from the following sentences. Never tell a lie. Choose nang ne. The correct answer kadika C. Let a lie never be told. 21. C. 22. What is the correct synonym, means same meaning, for the word acumen in the following sentences? She possesses a sharp teaching acumen and ability to achieve expected learning outcomes. Here it is B. Ingenuity. 23. Identify the correct form of adverb to fill in the blank. The teacher was highly appreciated for her constant highly. Okay, D. Highly appreciated. 24. Words written on a tombstone on the memory of the person who died is known as epitaph. Number D is the correct answer. Epitaph. The major aim of teaching poetry is B. Engagement and appreciation. B maybe the wrong question root number B. And 26. The following sentences has been split into 4 segments. Identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. So here Rahul sings very sweet when he is in a good model. They very sweet. They sing very sweet. The error very sweet. Sing very good. The new structure of the school education policy recommended by NEP 2020 that will be replaced. The traditional 10+2 schooling is 5 plus 3 plus 3. I think this is B. 27. B. How many seats are reserved for representative of scheduled castes and tribes in Lok Sabha? 131. 29. The research team discovered 3 previously undiscovered species of jumping spider Meghalaya. The species were found in the district of this question number 29. It may be wrong. Why? Because I have read from the newspaper. It says that it is in South Garau Hill and Southwest Khasi Hill. It is in Nong Nao, Southwest Khasi Hill. So there is no correct option in here. So maybe this is wrong. Te baro kila banyo plus mark na kamtakanin markadai South Garau Hill and Southwest Khasi Hill. Taka daw. Sa check ikata. Under the Ministry of Education, the Union Cabinet Minister of Education is number B. Dharmendra Pradhan. Correct answer. 31. Which country's president was the chief guest at the Republic Day parades in the year 2023? Egypt. President of Egypt. 32. Easy 32. RQP ONM dash ISG FED find amazing letter the fish pinyat da khongpong bada hangne RQP một PQR MNO tenel David LKJ who number C LKJ. If Noida is written as OPJEB, then what will be the code of Delhi? So 33, the correct answer of 33 is C EFMIJ. Sa persang man kain gitu kada EFNIJ. 34. A and B are brothers. C and D are sister. A's son is D brother. How is B related to C? Kane nomor ba A and B kidai brothers. The C D kidai ki kun jong A. That mean B is the uncles. That mean B is the uncle to C. Uncle D kene de. D is the correct answer. In a row of 62%, Rahul is 36 from left side of the row and Nitish is 29 from the right side of the row. Find out the number of person between them. Take number of person between them kan they one magane. And then da pila khen naka left kan one life real sa khen sa naka right. And per khandai te bana padang utn tam mo don way bana padang. They don't stand away tangmut ba. It's only one person sitting between them. Find out person between them. They don't tang one. Sa khen Kla man khen no number by ter left and right te bisa yo tam. Te uday by 1. 35, 36. Question number 36. One day, two friends, Shanbor and Saleng, started from school and cycled 10 kilometers southward, but turn right and cycle 7 kilometers and turn right and cycle 10 kilometers and turn left and cycle 10 kilometers. How many kilometers will they have to cycle to reach the school straight? Tao kan ne bade ban khen le kom no ro sha kom ne north east south west kom tu ma te kat kom kan question ong kom no ba kiya kan ne ka de ka school mo kan ne ka de napadang ka de ka school ka center ka de ka school te nang ne kiya kom no southward ka de shane mo badon shane southwest ne kiya 10 kilometer hang ne and turn right kemudian here chapo kin turn 7 kilometer so turn right and cycle 7 kilometer and turn right biang hang ne 10 kilometer biang then ki turn left good here chapo kano 10 kilometer ki here chapo te ka jingli ka ong ba how many kilometers will they have to cycle to reach the school straight? Daya straight ka school kali nang na pedang tamut ba kanai de nyo kilometer une de shipho plus nyo long cut in nyo. Te kanai correct answer ne number B is 17. And then number 37, effectiveness of teaching has to be judged in terms of kanai de learning outcome of the student. Most appropriate meaning of behavior kandai ka number A, modification of behavior. 39 kane learners combine his previous schema or modified them as per new experience. The process of combining, modifying existing schemas and to arrive at new schemas is known as accommodation. 40. The largest government-run program for early childhood care and education is ICDS, Integrated Child Development Service Scheme. 41. As a teacher, what will you do to develop the quality of discipline among the students? Kaneten have I allow them to take full responsibility. Allow them to take responsibility. I keep responsibility. 42. Teacher professionalism means kanete kade. Number A, the extent to which a teacher subscribes to professional codes and standards. 43. The function of a teacher is primarily that of a guru, a service, a director, or number D, guide, helping children progress toward maximum growth. 44. Which of the following affect an individual development at a given time? Kane kaban affect development kan debate. Kan number B, interaction of nature and nurture. Bro arta lima but nature but nurture. 45. While dealing with juvenile delinquents, a teacher should play them a joke, talk to them, complain. Number B, talk to them frankly and guide and channelize. 45, 46. According to NEP 2020, how much percent of child cumulative brain development occurs prior to the age of 6? Over 85%. And then number 47, if A is to B is equal 3 is to 4, B is to C is equal 7 is to 9, C is to D is 5 to 7, and find A is to D by choosing the correct answer from the option. Dengan sepenuhnya kan emang kayu kat no kan te nomor hang te kan CD fang hak fan A and D. The value of A hang ne ngan page kan men A by B dari 3 is to 4. The dari 3 is to 4. The hak jaka jong u B hang ne ngan rak no hang ne 3 into B. Kato 3 into B pin hap khain kum ne ma. The pin tho sayu D value jong D pin shim na une u CD. The dang shim u D into ngan yo no D sajrong ngan no 7C by 5. Then lada pada bisa combine gini kan. A is to D, yo kan no A is to D. Te pin bu gini value of A sajrong, value of D siapa. Dengan yo. Te hang ne pada nda pila dat submit gini ki value of A and value of D kan one kum ne mo. Te kan one 3B by 4 into 5 by 7C. Then dalam one kumne pi sa multiply bar sa submit biang igi value mo. Long no ne dalam multiply ngan long no khat san B apa R pupra C. Ne pat ngin submit your value jong u B is to C. The value jong ne B is to C dari 7 is to 9. 7 is to 9. Then ada pandang isukan salvage lai sensan khatsan lai sen lai khandai nhiều sen sao ar hopra te ko basa kalong lai sao khat ar oi san by khat ar te sa page ba kin mi vej correct answer ne kan de vej number B san apo khat ar san 5 is to 12 correct answer di 5 is to 12 te sa khin ba kami na kami. Okay. How many sides are there in the decagon? Correct 10, deca 10. Okay, 48, 49. Kanete basdang what 0 in the whole numbers. Last 2 is 0, 1, 2, 3 is the whole numbers. Then 50. Kanete triangle. A triangle that has 2 equal angle and 2 equal sides is called isosceles triangle. But an artily equal correct isosceles triangle. Lada dan bro lightly te gala de daka equilateral triangle te hang neb de bang ba 2 equal angle and 2 equal sides can called isosceles triangle te sa khen ma phi na kitu ki sanpho tali ki bangla pan khen phi yo kat no marks te fikermen em ba phin po shaka personal interview te tang gi nei khule shubun.